Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change snooze time on iPhone. So actually it is very easy. First of all, we need to open clock application on our iPhone, and here basically go to the alarms. Click on the alarms button in the bottom side of the screen, and here if we want to create our new alarm, we need to click on the plus sign. Here set your time for your alarm, choose whatever preferences you want for it, and as you can see in the bottom we will have snooze duration, and if we click on it we can adjust the snooze time for this alarm. But if you want to adjust the snooze time for the existing alarm, so for example I always have this alarm at 8 a.m. If I click on it, I can basically customize it, and it also has the snooze duration in the bottom. So if I click on it, I can set it to like 5 minutes, and to confirm the action I need to click on the tick in the top right corner, and now I will have the 5-minute snooze duration to this alarm. And basically that is it. That is how we can change snooze time on iPhone. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.